So find out the coordinate of the point P, which divides the line joining the points A into bracket 4 minus 5 and the point of B 6 3 in the ratio 2:5 internally and externally. Therefore, A and B are the given points here. P divides AB in the ratio 2:5. Okay, the first case here. Therefore, here just observe the formula here. Here P divides AB internally in the ratio m is to n. In that case, the coordinate of point P is m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n. First take only x coordinates here. mx2 plus nx1 divided by n plus n. Then take a y coordinate here. m y2 n y1 divided by m plus n. Therefore, even here also P divides AB internally here. So coordinate of P is given by P is equal to 2 into 6. Take only x coordinate now. 2 into 6. Then plus 5 into 4. 5 into 4 divided by 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. Then 2 into 3. 2 into 3 plus 5 into minus 5. 5 into minus of 5 divided by 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. Therefore, this is equal to, here 6 2s are 12 here and 5 4s are 20 plus 20 divided by 5 plus 2 becomes 7 here. Then 3 2s are 6 plus into minus is a minus here. 5 5s are 25 whole divided by 7 here. Therefore, this is equal to 20 plus 12 is 32 here. 32 divided by 7. 6 minus 25 is minus of 19 divided by 7 here. If both are positive, then add it here divided by 7. And one is positive, the other one is a negative here. In that case, subtract each other. Then take a bigger number sign here. Okay, one plus sign, one minus daga. Subtract minus ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಕಳಿತೀರಾ ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಚಿಹ್ನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ minus 19 divided by 7 ಆಯ್ತು. So this is a coordinate of the point of P. P divides AB internally. Okay. Next second case here. P divides AB externally in the ratio 2:5. In the ratio 2:5. Therefore, here P is equal to, here only the difference is a sign here. Okay, in the internal division plus sign is there, but external division minus sign here. Okay, P divides AB externally in the ratio m is to n here. Therefore, it just change sign here. Okay, therefore 2 into 6 2 into 6 here. Then minus of 5 into 4. 5 into 4 divided by 2 minus of 5 here. Then 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 minus of 5 into minus 5. 5 into minus 5 divided by 2 minus of 5. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to, here 6 2s are 12 here minus of 5 4s are 20 divided by 2 minus 5 is minus of 3 here. Okay, one positive, the other one is negative. Subtract each other. Kalabade the bigger number sign is 5. 5 in the minus is like minus 3 barita ideni. Then 3 2s are 6 here. So 6 minus become plus here. Minus into minus plus 5 5s are 25. So 25 divided by 2 minus 5 is minus of 300. Yes, so this is equal to 12 minus 20 is the minus of 8 here. Minus 8 upon minus 3. One positive ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ. ಕಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಮೈನಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ minus 8 ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. Next, both are positive here. 25 plus 6, it is a 31 here. 31 divided by minus of 3 here. And you know, minus upon minus becomes a plus here. Plus 8 divided by 3. 31 upon minus 3 is the same as minus of 31 divided by 3 here. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, the next example here. Find the ratio in which the point 54 divides the line joining the points 2, 1 and 7, 6 here. Okay, so there is a line segment here. Okay, here points are 2, 1 and 7, 6 here. Okay, then this is the third point here, 5, 4. So you have to find the ratio at what ratio the point divides the line segment AB. Consider this point as a pair. At what ratio the point P divides AB? Okay. So let us consider. So P divides AB in the ratio M is to N here. Okay. If M is to N gives a positive, then it is an internal division. If M upon N gives a negative quantity, then it gives an external division here. It depends upon sign here. So M upon N, after simplification, M upon N is a positive N. Then it is an internal division here. Remember it here, internal division. If M upon N gives a negative value, then it is a external division here. Okay. Beginning you take internally only. Take a beginning you take internally. After that you decide whether if it is positive, then it is an internal division. If it is a negative, then it is an external division here. Okay, ಮೊದಲು ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ m upon n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. m upon n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. m upon n ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ here. Okay, so therefore so let A into bracket 2, 1 and B into bracket 7, 6 be the given points here. Be the given points. So let P into bracket 5, 4 divides AB in the ratio M is to N here. In the ratio M is to N. Therefore, according to the section formula, here P is equal to, okay, using this formula. Okay, so M into 7 here. M into 7. Then plus. So n into 2. N into 2 divided by m plus n. Similarly, m into 6. Take y coordinates now. M into 6 plus n into 1. N into 1 divided by m plus n. So this is by the section formula, coordinate of the point B. But they already given here coordinate of the point B is 5, 4 here. Therefore, equating x and y coordinates here. Therefore, 7 into m is 7m. N into 2 becomes 2n divided by m plus n here is equal to 5. Then 6 into m becomes 6m. N into 1 is n here divided by m plus n is equal to 4. Equating x and y coordinates here. Okay. Now you can simplify this one or this one here. You choose any one here, you will get the same result here. Okay. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಇದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದು ನೀವು ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು. Therefore cross multiplier 7m plus 2n is equal to 5 into bracket m plus n here. I am taking this result here. Then take a 5 inside the bracket here. So 7m plus 2n is equal to 5m plus 5n here. Take m this side here, n term that side. So 7m minus of 5m is equal to 5n minus of 2n here. 7m minus 5m becomes 2m here. And 5n minus 2n becomes 3n. Take n this side to that side here. Yes, m upon n. M upon n is equal to 3 divided by 2n. So 3 upon 2. Therefore this is a positive quantity here. Therefore we can write here. So m is to n is equal to 3 into 2 here. Therefore P divides AB internally in the ratio 3 to 2. Therefore P divides AB internally in the ratio 3:2 here. So this is the result here. Okay, if m is m upon n is positive, then it is internal division. If m upon n gives a negative quantity, then it is a external division here. Remember it here. So in what ratio does the point minus 2, 3 divide the line segment joining the points minus 3, 5 and 4 minus 9 here. It is just like a previous example here. So in this example I am using a different method here. Okay, take a point A as minus 3, 5 and B as 4 minus 9. Take this point as a P here. Coordinate of P is minus 2, 3 here. Okay, minus 2, 3. Let us consider P divides AB in the ratio R is to 1 here. Consider it divides as R is to 1. Okay, just like a previous example. In previous example, we taken P divides AB internally in the ratio M is to N. Here I am taking P divides AB in the ratio R is to 1 here. Again here, if R upon 1 is a positive quantity, then it is the internal division. If R upon 1 it gives a negative quantity, then it is a external division here. Okay. So therefore, in the both cases you get the same result here. So in some time we are using this formula also. Okay, same procedure here. So later E into bracket minus 3, 5 B into bracket 4 minus 9 with the given points here. With the given points. Later the point of P minus 2, 3 divides the line AB. The line AB in the ratio R is to 1 here. R is to 1. Yes, coordinate of the point P is equal to R into 4. So R into 4 plus 1 into minus 3 here. 1 into minus 3 divided by R plus 1 here. Then R into 4. R into minus 9 here. Take y coordinate now. r into minus sign plus 1 into 5. 1 into 5 divided by r plus 1 here. R plus 1. So this is by the second formula. But they already given coordinate of point P is this one here. Therefore equating x and y coordinate now. So 4 into r becomes a 4r. Minus 3 into 1 is a minus 3 divided by r plus 1 here is equal to minus 2. Then minus 9r 5 ones are 5 here divided by r plus 1 is equal to 3 here is equal to 3 equating x and y coordinates here. So you choose this one or this one here. You choose any one here. Eradrolli one yavadu toli same answer barutte nimage. I am taking this side here cross multiply. So 4r minus 3 is equal to minus 2 into bracket r plus 1 here. Therefore 4r minus 3 is equal to minus 2 into r becomes a minus 2r. Minus 2 into 1 is a minus 2 here. Take a minus 2r left side here and a minus 3 right hand side here. Hence 4r plus 2r is equal to 3 minus of 2 here. 3 minus 2. So 4r plus 2r becomes 6r here. And 3 minus 2 gives 1. Therefore take 6 right hand side here. Therefore you can write here r upon 1 is equal to 1 upon 6 here. And it is a positive quantity here. R upon 1 is positive quantity. Therefore r into 1 is equal to 1 into 6 here. Means P divides AB internally here. Therefore P divides AB internally in the ratio 1:6 here. Okay, so this is the answer. So here you can use this procedure, or you can take P divides AB in the ratio M into N also. ಎರಡರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನಾದ್ರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, so in the point C11 divide the line segment joining A into bracket minus 2 7 and B in the ratio 3:2. Find the coordinates of the point B here. Okay, so here A and B here, and coordinate of point A is minus 2 7 here, minus 2 comma 7, and we don't know coordinate of the point B here. Therefore consider coordinate of B as A comma B here, and here C, here is the point here. It's a coordinate 1 they already given here. Coordinate of the point C is 1 comma 1 here. Okay, and also they given the ratio is 3:2. C divides AB in the ratio 3:2 here. Then find the coordinate of B means find A and B values. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು B ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, coordinate of point B ನೀವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, therefore let A into bracket minus 2 comma 7 and B into bracket A comma B be the 2 points here, be the 2 points such that the point C into bracket 1 divides AB, divides AB internally in the ratio 3:2. 3:2 here. They are already given here. Okay. Therefore, coordinate of point C is given by. Here's your second formula. According to second formula, but take only x coordinate here. 3 into a. 3 into a plus 2 into minus 2 here. 2 into minus 2 divided by 3 plus 2. So right here 3 plus 2 here. Take y coordinates now. 3 into b. So 3b. Then plus 2 into 7. 2 into 7 divided by 3 plus 2 here. 3 plus 2. This is coordinate of point C by using section formula. But they are already given coordinate of C 1 1. So equating x and y coordinates now. 3 into a becomes 3a. 2 2s are 4 minus 4 here divided by 3 plus 2 becomes 5 is equal to 1 here. Okay, this one. Then 3 into b, 3b. 7 2s are 14 divided by 3 plus 2 becomes 5. Equate this with its y coordinate here 1. Therefore, cross multiply. Take 5 this side here. Even this also this side. So 3a minus of 4 is equal to 5 and 3b plus 14 is equal to 5. Cross multiply. Take a minus 4 right hand side here. So 3a is equal to 5 plus 4 here. Hence 3a is equal to 9. 9 upon 3 is a 3 here. Therefore, the value of a is a 3. And in this case, 3b is equal to 5 minus of 14 here. Hence, 3b is equal to 5 minus 14 is a minus of 9 here. Hence, b is equal to minus 3 here. 3 ones are, these are cancels here. Therefore, coordinate of point B here. Here a value is a 3. So right here 3. And b value is a minus 3 here. So this is a required coordinate of the point B here. This is the solution.